Hi! Today's topic is how to advance paid using SQL Payroll. Before employees getting their final salary, if employees asking for advance. To set up advance paid, first need to click Payroll and then select Open Pending Payroll. Then double-click on the Money Bag Namad Advance Paid. Add on a new column, then select the transaction date, post date and employee. Then input the description and the amount, then save it. Then return to Open Pending Payroll and refresh it. Once you refresh, you can see System Auto Post Advance Deduct once advance paid is created. To process advance paid, go to Payroll, select New Payroll, then select Ad Hoc Payroll. Check the transaction posting year and month. For payroll transaction processing date and processing from, must be same with pending advance paid. Then for the process need to select monthly and under the pending transaction settings to advance paid and click OK. At the right side just choose employees who asking for advance, then click Process. Double-click on employee name to show the info of advance paid. At the time you want to do final payroll, once you process it you can see auto postings for advanced deduct by the system. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.